Welcome to Home Decor, where creativity meets style to transform your home. Get ready for fresh ideas, inspiring designs, and unique tips from all corners of the world. Whether you're refreshing a room and starting a new project, we have inspiration you need. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell to stay updated with all things decor. Today, we are going to explore the newest and most popular false ceiling designs that can totally change your living areas. For advice that interior designers rely on, watch the video till the end. In recent years, false ceilings, also referred to as drop ceilings or suspended ceilings, have gained popularity in home decor. Many homeowners are realizing the practical and aesthetic advantages of this new ceiling design, and interior designers are putting them in homes and businesses to add beauty and interest to plain ceilings. I've gathered a few motivational design that highlight various patterns and shapes in case you've never seen a suspended ceiling before or need some ideas for a false ceiling design for your next home remodeling project. Simple false ceiling design. The distinctive design elements of false ceilings work best for our homes' interiors when they are kept simple. Modern, classic, and uncomplicated design elements are essential for modern homes, and this straightforward false ceiling design is admirable. A simple false ceiling design complements the room's or house's overall interior decor. An apartment that requires additional soundproofing and a lower ceiling height benefits from a layout that divides the space into distinct sections. A change in the ceiling design determines the dining area, while the kitchen ceiling is straightforward with spotlights to help light the space. Additionally, appealing lighting designs are made possible by the fake ceiling, adding both functionality and aesthetic appeal to the space. Wooden false ceilings. The final appearance of your false ceiling can be just as good whether you choose to use wood paneling or wooden beams. Wood's warmth makes for a welcoming interior design that needs little in the way of paint or accessories. The room has a timeless, approachable style thanks to the Skandi design's simplicity, white paint, spotlights, and neutral color scheme. Classic plain ceiling. There is no need to complicate a drop ceiling. A simple, timeless false ceiling design may be all you need if your living area is modern or Scandinavian in style. A contemporary false ceiling that accentuates a small apartment looks fantastic with strong angles and straight lines. Installing spotlights without disturbing the original ceiling and possibly causing structural damage is possible with a dropped ceiling like the one shown above. Without breaking through the existing ceiling, all of the electrical work and wires are well hidden. Bedroom ceiling design. This stunning false ceiling design adds a distinctive shape to your house, improves its aesthetics, and is a fantastic way to conceal all of the electrical wiring from a recent remodeling project. The false ceiling's color and lighting complement the room's decor. The white paint balances the vibrant pink tones to produce a striking bedroom design. By combining modern, contemporary interiors with traditional design, the ornamental false ceiling can add depth of similar to the previous example. Introducing a different height balance can present a chance to highlight elements like pendant lights and chandeliers in a bedroom. In addition to adding elegance and timeless style to a bedroom, this straightforward false ceiling serves to highlight the gorgeous light fixture. Living room false ceiling design. The ceiling in the room below is extremely high. Installing a partially suspended ceiling in a space like this could be beneficial. The furniture arrangement and drop ceiling sections combine to create comfortable areas and reduce the room's feeling of openness and draftiness. The installation of the fake ceiling lights below is fantastic. The installation of a series of lights that enhance the overall decor scheme with drama and impact is made possible by the suspended ceiling hanging in a panel beneath the original. Although lighting suspended from an original ceiling could create the same effect, the design would appear flat and uninteresting. The aesthetic enhancements that a false ceiling can provide are especially advantageous for modern homes. False ceiling floral patterns. This is the ideal false ceiling design for a lot of homes. The addition of floral patterns to the ceiling completes and enhances the room's existing decor while also giving it a new dimension. The overall aesthetic of the false ceiling work is one of striking beauty, regardless of whether you use it in a dining room, drawing room, or even a study area. What is the best false ceiling design? This depends on your budget, your personal preferences, and the kind of original ceiling you had. You will benefit from the lowered ceiling, additional insulation, and temperature control that a false ceiling can provide if your ceilings are too high and the space is too cold. Installing a gypsum or pop false ceiling in an apartment, for instance, can help reduce noise pollution from other buildings or rooms above you if you find that you need more soundproofing. In conclusion, a false ceiling or suspended ceiling can add visual interest, conceal numerous pipes and wires, and offer insulation and soundproofing. It is constructed from a variety of materials, including metal, pop, and gypsum, and it hangs straight from your original ceiling. There are numerous designs that give living rooms, bedrooms, hallways, and offices visual interest. For additional interior design inspiration, remember to like, share, and subscribe if you found this video useful.